Hi everybody, I'm Jilly with One Good Thing by Jilly with another useful tip for better living. I love a good steak, but I don't always love the price tag, especially when I'm cooking for my whole family. We like to invite the whole family over on the weekends and cook steaks on the barbecue, but cooking all that steak for my family can be a pricey proposition. So I love this trick for turning a cheap piece of beef into a tender and juicy steak. The simple ingredient, the simple trick involves salt, and it needs to be a coarse salt, like a coarse sea salt or kosher salt. To tenderize your steak, take a teaspoon of coarse salt and rub it all over both sides of the steak. You want to just press it into with your fingers, make sure it's good and in the meat, and then let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour, longer if you have a thicker cut. And then after the waiting period, just rinse it off under cool running water and season it the way you regularly do. Before you do that though, make sure you pat it dry with paper towels. It needs to be nice and dry or you're not going to get that sear. You'll basically be steaming your meat instead of grilling it, and that's bland and less flavorful. So if you want more details on how to turn cheap steak into juicy tender steak, go to onegoodthingbyjilly.com and be sure to sign up for our emails while you're there.